from Baleswar College of Engineering and Technology. I passed out in 2022. Then from the JSpiders and JSpiders, they have done an incubation exam in my college. So that place I got selected as an incubation student in JSpiders or PySpider. So I joined in JSpiders in June 2022, and after a long time gone, I just placed in Accuracy company with a package of 4 LPM. So here I learned everything like in Java full stack development, Python full stack development, as well as web technology courses and Angular also. And special thanks to Salman sir that from there I get the motivation to know at AngularJS, and they taught me all the JavaScript and HTML, CSS. And thanks to Siraj sir to give me all the chances and motivate me to do all the projects that improved me myself to build special websites and make them so much eye-catching. And special thanks to Akshay sir, Rahul sir, Anupama man and Pooja man to take care of me in Java and make me technical strong in Java. Then I, after Java full stack development, migrated to Python full stack development, where Salman sir take my Python course. Then in Django framework, Deepak sir make me pro in Django framework. That's why I thank you to all. And thank you to HR also for giving me that opportunity to get an interview and crack that. And special thanks to Hari sir as well as other sir, Priya ma'am and Shibu sir also. In the JSpiders, I make myself something great things and learn some new things here. And the grooming classes as well as lesson classes make my communication better. And thankful to you all the things for all the HRs and all the faculties of JSpiders and PySpiders. Thank you.